Times Network's Kangna Sachdeva in fact gets you this ground report from Chamoli district's Raini village, where rescue operations by NDRF and SDRF are on. A temporary bridge is also being constructed after the connectivity to at least 13 villages was hit because of the flash flood and the damage to the existing bridge.
I'm right now standing at Raini village, and this is the last village where the bridge had collapsed because of the glacier burst last week. Now on one side where there is a rescue operation taking place, and if I can ask my video journalist Arjun Singh Rawat to show you those men in orange dresses, those are the NDRF and SDRF people who are taking out rescue operations to find out the 170 people who have gone missing. Apart from the 34 workers who are feared to be trapped in the NTPC tunnel, there are rest 170 people who are feared to be missing, and which is why the NDRF and SDRF are carrying out day and night operations to find that out. Apart from the rescue operation, there is a bridge that is being constructed now by the BRO, and they are doing job so that a bridge now could be constructed as soon as possible, because the collapse of this bridge because of the glacier burst had affected the logistic problems, and which is why the rest of the 13 villages from here, those are the 13 villages, and the first village is Lata village. Now they have been disconnected completely from the rest of the Uttarakhand, and which is why they are facing a lot of logistic problem. The poor villages over there have been complaining about the lack of food and water supply and electricity, which is why BRO and DGBRO will also be visiting the site to see how the process of construction of the bridge is taking place. Apart from that, the scientists from DRDO had visited. 3 teams of scientists had been visiting this site from yesterday and today morning also to take the stock of the situation, because there is a lake that has been formed uphill. That's the Rishi Ganga river that is coming in from there, flowing in from there. And since the past 2 days, there has been a scare looking at the water that has been collected in a form of a lake at Rishi Ganga river. Which is why the scientists have been doing recce's in the chopper to see how bad the situation could be, and if it is posing a threat to the entire nature situation in Joshimath.